Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to biology class. I am Vasudev, TGT Bioscience from Tirumalapalam, Khammam region. In today's session, we are going to learn some experiments towards animal intelligence. My dear children, if we talk about logical thinking power, we remember of dolphins. Yes, dolphins have excellent logical thinking power. So, this was studied and proved by Herman. Herman was a scientist. He studied 4 bottlenose dolphins at Cavallo Basin Mammal Laboratory in Hawaii Islands. And those 4 dolphins were named as Akikomai, Phoenix, Allen and Hippo. So, in his case study, Herman came to know that all these 4 dolphins were able to remember their names and were also able to understand code language. So, if practiced and trained properly, these dolphins were able to remember their names and also were able to understand code language. For example, fist, closed fist shows the tub, and hands raised shows bowl, and one hand raised shows bring here. If all these 3 actions are performed together, those dolphins will get the ball from the tub to you. If all these actions are reversed, for example, so they will throw back this ball into the tub again. So see how they are able to understand this code language. And they are also able to recognize or remember their names with the help of whistles. Long whistles, short whistles, etc. For example, if a particular dolphin of particular whistle is called, all other dolphins will look at that particular dolphin like this. So this dolphin will go. So they are able to recognize their name with the help of whistles. It's interesting, right? Yeah. And now next let us discuss another interesting behavior of Alex. Yes, Alex is an African grey parrot. In 1977, Erin Pepperberg brought Alex an African grey parrot. So she trained this Alex 100 words. After that, she framed those words. She brought all those words together and made Alex to learn few sentences. So this Alex, after few days, what Pepperberg did is, she brought 2 yellow colored, one is yellow colored bowl and the other one is yellow dish. This is a conversation between Pepperberg and Alex. Pepperberg, what is the similarity? She asked by showing this yellow bowl and yellow dish, what is the similarity? And this Alex said, color. And next question by Pepperberg is, what is the difference? And this Alex said, shape. See how intelligent Alex is. So Alex, this parrot, is able to recognize the minute differences between those 2, yellow bowl and yellow dish. So Alex also was wonderful and she learned much language also, and it used to train other parrots of its group. And when those parrots uttered wrong words, it instructed them to say clear. See how interesting this Alex behavior is. And one more thing is, children, another interesting thing is, this Alex named or called apple as Bannery. Why it called apple as Bannery means, this apple is tasted like banana and it looks like a big cherry. So it created a new name called Bannery. Banana for taste, cherry for color. See, it's creative intelligence. So this Alex is able to name it because of its intelligence. Before its death, before this Alex death, Alex was able to learn 7th table, children. Yeah, I think the class was interesting, right? Yeah, thank you so much. Meet you in the next session.